If you're looking to switch to ThriveCart or potentially upgrade your ThriveCart account, but you're not sure if ThriveCart Standard or Pro Plus is best for you, I'm going to walk you through the best features of ThriveCart Pro Plus and really help you to decide what's going to be the best one for you. I've been using ThriveCart since 2023. Previously, I've used Teachable and Podia, but ThriveCart is by far my favorite. I've made over almost $27,000, over 1,000 sales on ThriveCart. Absolutely love it. It is so amazing. I host my membership on ThriveCart, multiple courses. I sell my ebook. It is absolutely amazing. So there is ThriveCart Standard and ThriveCart Pro Plus. First, let's talk about pricing, because pricing is what we care about most, right? So there's two different options here with ThriveCart. And we have ThriveCart Standard. And on ThriveCart Standard, it's a little tricky. It wants you obviously to upgrade to Pro Plus, but if you scroll down past this, you're going to see no thanks, I don't want the Pro Plus upgrade. So we're going to click on that. And with my link, I'll have affiliate links down below in the description. With my link, you're going to be saving $1,500 right off the bat. They do have other exclusive things like Black Friday deals, different things like that, where you can save even more. But just standard throughout the year, you're going to be saving $1,500 by using my affiliate link. So I personally appreciate it, and I can put out more content like this. You get a discount, you're helping me, which is amazing. So this is going to be $495 for the standard ThriveCart account. This is lifetime access. There's no annual fees. There's no monthly fees. You're paying $500 forever. I was paying, I think, $1,200 a year, every single reoccurring a year with Teachable. So Teachable starts out free, and that's great, but it gets expensive quickly. But with ThriveCart, you can have unlimited courses, unlimited memberships, ebooks, different things like that you're hosting and selling for one flat rate, which is unbelievable and unheard of. So we have ThriveCart Standard, which is $495. Now, there is also ThriveCart Pro Plus. And with ThriveCart Pro Plus, you're going to get all of these features. We're going to talk about a lot of these. We're going to talk about my favorite ones. That is going to be $295 a year. So you're going to be paying the standard price plus the Pro Plus account, which is the $295. So total, it's going to be $790 that you're going to be paying. Like I said, this is with my discount, and you're also going to be paying the $295 per year. So just keep in mind that that is annually $295 per year. But like I said, I was paying $1,200 every single year with Teachable. So you are going to be saving so much money. And this is way cheaper than places like Kajabi, Teachable, all of those. They do also have a bundle, which is awesome as well, that I'll have linked for you as well, which is ThriveCart Standard, Pro, the Learn Plus upgrade, a ThriveCart course, a profit playbook, templates, a private membership, all of that. So for this whole plan, you're going to be paying $985, which is such a great deal. Like the templates alone are $1,300. So it's going to be $985 and then annually $295 for the Pro Plus upgrade. So that is the Pro Plus upgrade. And like I said, I'll have links to everything down below in the description. First thing we're going to look at is the analytics. I love analytics. I'm such a data nerd, and it really helps me to make more sales and to lean in on what's working and what's not working. So here's the dashboard of what you're going to see. You can customize your display of what you're going to be seeing. If you want to see trends, recurring revenue, revenue breakdown, refunds, all of that, you can customize it. You can also look at subscriptions or funnels, different things like that. So this is going to be your stats on your dashboard. Next is order bumps. These are really cool. And this is a way to add additional add-ons to your purchase to increase sales. So I can add, like I have my social media ebook, and then I also have an order bump example. With ThriveCart Pro Plus, you can now do multiple order bumps, which is so cool. I think you can have up to 6, which is absolutely incredible and a great way to stack on. With my social media ebook, I think it's like an 80% success rate that I am able to, or 80% conversion rate, that anyone that purchases My Dream to Profitable, 80% of them add on the ebook, which is absolutely incredible that I'm able to add on those sales. If you use my link to sign up for ThriveCart, I have a couple gifts for you. I have a Your Product Launch Starter Toolkit. And this is a full guide to help walk you through coming up with your offer, your course, your coaching program, whatever it may be, and helping you get this set up. So I have this PDF for you. And then I also have a full course on how to launch your first course. You'll get full access to this as well. And it has everything from choosing a profitable topic to how to outline and plan your course, how to price your course, how to get beta testers, how to increase sales with guarantees. And then it also has full walkthroughs and tutorials by click of how to use ThriveCart and showing how to set everything up click by click, which is so awesome. So these will also be for you if you use my link to sign up for ThriveCart. The next ThriveCart Pro feature is affiliates. And with affiliates, you can increase your sales by using affiliates to refer your products, to refer your courses, to refer your memberships. And this is a great way to really increase sales. Within the affiliate dashboard, you can see all of your affiliate clicks, how many sales they're making, how many conversions, if they're pushing out the product, and you can also pay the commissions directly through ThriveCart, which is awesome. It gets paid through PayPal. With affiliates, you can also go through the product. You can customize the amount that your affiliates are getting paid. So I have a 30% commission that they're making and that they're going to get paid after 30 days. So I can manually change this. And I can make it that they get paid after 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 60, or 90 days. I have a 30-day return policy, so I like doing it after 30 days. So that way, if someone does ask for a refund, then I'm not paying the commission on that. You can also create target URLs. And this is honestly one of my favorite features of ThriveCart. So I have 3 different ways that my affiliates can earn commission and refer people. So they can refer people to my side hustle guide, which is a downloadable PDF. And this is the link right here for the side hustle guide. And I also have that they have direct access to my course if they want to give someone direct access to that link, or if they want to send people to my webinar, they can do that as well. And so these are 3 access points that they can send someone to, and then it's going to place a cookie on that person that signs up for my lead magnet for my webinar or directly through my course. So if someone signs up for my webinar and then attends the webinar and then signs up 2 weeks later for the course or a week later or during the webinar, they're going to get that commission. Same with my lead magnet with my side hustle guide. So this is a great way that I can increase sales through my affiliates is by having lead magnets that my affiliates can offer. Now, back in the affiliate section, I can also customize what each affiliate earns. So I have the standard 30% commission, but I can also go into their profile and their affiliate options, and I can customize the conversion. So I can do for this person, say I want to do a 50% commission, I can do that for this person, and I can change it so that they get instantly or manually after a delay. I can do that as well. So this is something that I can do right in ThriveCart. Now, if I want to give someone a specific amount. And then back to those links that we talked about, these are the links, and this is what it's going to look like for the affiliate. So they can pull these links here for the side hustle guide, the Dream and a Profitable course, the free class sign. This is the webinar. So they can copy this link and then promote it. They can also put this into a pretty link as well. So this is totally an option. And then this Kelly Smith test 123, this is what their name would be, or their subdomain name. This is what it would be right here. And then also I have access. So if someone is unable to find out how to pull them, the links, I can pull it for them and just send them an email with their custom link as well. So I have access to all of my affiliates' direct links as well. Next is JV Partners. And JV Partners is a great way if you want to do a partnership with someone. So say you're creating a course with someone, or say you're creating a membership with someone, that you can have it so that way you both have access inside of ThriveCart. You can create a contract and you can split it so that way you're getting maybe 50-50, or you are doing the bulk of it and you're doing 70% and they're getting 30%, or however you want to customize it. And you can do that directly through the JV partner. So if you're wanting to set up that partnership with someone, you can also set it up so that if you maybe have a virtual assistant and you want to set up roles for them, and you can set it up and give them specific access to how much of ThriveCart you want. So say you have a virtual assistant and they are only handling returns for you and refunds for you. So they have access to that, but they don't have access to create coupons. They don't have access to see how many sales you're getting or other things within ThriveCart. So this is a great way to have control over your ThriveCart account and make sure your virtual assistants or other people aren't going in and messing with things that they shouldn't. So JV Partners is a great way that you can both manage partnerships and also virtual assistant or anyone working for you. The next feature is Dunning. So what we're going to do to access Dunning is you're going to go to your profile, go to settings, and then manage Dunning. And this is a way that you can help to save sales. You can have ThriveCart automatically send emails for upcoming payments. You can have them send for overdue payments for emails that go out if their card is expiring, if their card has expired. This is a really great way that you can save sales, and it'll make it so that if someone doesn't pay, if their payment is overdue or if their card expires, that it's going to revoke access to your course until they make that payment. So this is a really great way to make sure that you're not missing out on subscriptions or missing out on payment plans because a card expired or for overdue payments or anything like that. This feature can save you so much money and also stress of having to tackle and hunt down those people. I know people that have virtual assistants that this is their only job is tracking down subscriptions. So this feature alone can save you in virtual assistant paying for that, and also for just recouping costs right here. Next is calculating sales tax. This can save you huge with the government and the IRS. So if we go to edit a product and then we go to pricing, we can hit this button here, calculate sales tax. So this is going to calculate and collect sales tax based on the person's location. And it's going to calculate a simple sales tax. So this is going to be really, really helpful for your accountant, for your CPA, when you're having to submit sales tax. ThriveCart gives you easy access inside to the settings to run tax reports and to send reports to your CPA. And also they do the VAT tax as well. Now, taxes are not fun. They're not exciting, but they are super important so that you're not getting in trouble with the IRS or anything like that. And like I said, they have really great settings and you can do it all right inside of ThriveCart. You can also set up if it's for a membership site or what type of category it is. This is how they're able to calculate the type of tax that's taken out, the amount, all of that. And you can also select the countries, everything right here within ThriveCart. The next ThriveCart Pro feature is custom domain. And this is really nice to have to give your page, to give your membership, to give your course some more authority and some more credibility. So we're going to go into settings. And then we're going to go to account-wide settings, and we're going to go all the way down to CNAME. And this is to set up a custom domain for your ThriveCart. So we're going to go to custom domain. You can set it up here. So you can set it up that it's going to say sales.kellyandsmith.com. This is going to increase the authority of, so that way someone sees this, they're going to have some more credibility. And they're going to say, okay, I recognize kellyandsmith.com. I'm going to now put in my credit card information because I trust that, versus just some off the wall website that they've never heard about. Maybe they don't know what ThriveCart is. And so they're like, why is it redirecting me to ThriveCart? I don't understand this. This gives you some credibility that you can do this right through Cloudflare, and you can set up a custom domain for it right through here. And it has tutorials that's going to walk you through everything. So this is just to give you that more authority, and this can help increase sales so that people are seeing something that they recognize versus a website that they're not sure about and unsure if they want to put in their credit card information. The next ThriveCart Pro feature is removable branding. This is really nice to have just because, you're paying for this service, and it's nice to not have to have that on your website. So we can go in here and into our sales page, and we can remove the branding and check out, and I can go into Launch Editor. And then if I scroll all the way down at the bottom, I can see this is the ThriveCart footer that is automatically here, but I can hit Hide ThriveCart. Yes, hide the branding. I can do that and then hit Done. So now it doesn't have the ThriveCart branding, and this is just a nice feature to have. So that is a full breakdown of ThriveCart Standard and the things that you're going to be getting with ThriveCart Pro Plus. They are absolutely incredible, and I love them. So I'll have everything linked for you down below in the description box. And remember that with the ThriveCart Pro Plus, it is the $295 per year. But like I said, it's totally worth it. And with ThriveCart Pro Plus, you're going to get all of these features, and they're constantly adding new features as well, which is absolutely incredible. Now, if you want to see how to build a sales page in a ThriveCart, all of the templates, how to use the templates, how to see the templates in ThriveCart for their sales pages, check out this video here.